Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how we can go ahead and see mutual friends on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we gotta do is we simply gotta go ahead and open our Snapchat app right in mobile phone first. Once we have got our app open, this is basically gonna look like this in the homepage of our Snapchat, right? So what we want to do is we're simply going to go ahead, tap on our profile icon, and we're simply gonna go ahead. You can see this my friends option. If I tap on it, I will find my people, right, my friends that I have over here. If I tap on any random person's account, if I go to their account, I won't be able to see my friends or like the mutual friends option. I can't even see their friend list because apparently it is a privacy option given by Snapchat itself for your account's privacy measure. They have hide it. So if they have hide it, for that matter, you cannot go ahead and check it, but you do have an option of quick add where you can go ahead, go check it out, the persons that might be. If you go in add friend list, if you go to this quick add section, you will be able to find some of the accounts which is connected with your friends, who are the communicating with, might have some connection with them. You will be able to find the suggestions over here. There, that's how you can guess it, but there is no way for you to find a mutual friend list, unfortunate. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.